You know, sometimes I ask myself, legit, how the fuck do these fuckers have jobs? You know what I mean, Poey? Like, just before at Carl's Jr., I was there for like 10 minutes waiting for a fucking Angus burger. It took them fucking 10 minutes to make a fucking burger. And it took a minute for this motherfucker to staple 3 staples on the fucking packaging or whatever. Like, what the fuck? How the fuck do you have a job? For real, like, what the fuck? Who manages these people? Like, what the fuck? I couldn't believe it. I was just like watching this dude. He moves so fucking slow, like a snail. Like, bro, how the fuck did you get a job? How do you have a fucking job still? Fuck, for real. It's a joke, Poey. It's a joke. Let me show you this place. Gives me Wolf Creek vibes, for real. What the fuck? Where we at, Poey? Oh god. This is crazy. Hey, Poey. We're on an adventure. Fucking Wolf Creek shit. Let's go, Poey. Can you hold the camera, Poe? Let's see if stay there. Just in case someone comes, Poey, we got a witness, you know what I mean? Fuck. This could be a murder scene. Look at this. Look how dark this road is. I'm high beam and it's still fucked, hey? Like, for real. Show ya. Wolf Creek vibes. Yo, what the fuck's that? Nah, I'm just joking, it's not.